Remotely connecting to a client PC through your Service Desk has never been easier thanks to Desktop Central's integration with Service Desk Plus. To establish a remote connection, choose your desired ticket under the Requests module of Service Desk Plus. Go to Actions and then choose Remote Control. Type in the client PC name as well as the reason for the remote connection and click Initiate. This will take you to the user's current screen. From there, you'll have several options for troubleshooting, like the ability to blacken the user's monitor, disable user input devices, use the command prompt, open up the event viewer, pull up the task manager, send a chat, or initiate a voice or video call with the user. Once you're finished with troubleshooting, you can end the remote connection by closing the tab. Notes will automatically be generated once the session ends. If you need more information on integrating Desktop Central and Service Desk Plus, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching!